This is problem number 6 for assessment number 3. In this problem it says, use the graph of y equals f of x to write a piecewise defined formula for f. Write each piece in slope-intercept form. So you'll notice we have two pieces. They're both linear because they're straight lines. That's an important piece to point out. You need to know what type of function you're dealing with. They're straight lines, so they're both linear. If I want to write a piecewise function, I start by saying f of x equals, and then draw a nice large bracket to encompass the whole function. Because there's two pieces, I'm going to go ahead and draw two lines for space to write a function for each piece. And then I need to write the domains in there. So I'm going to start by writing the domain of the first one. Well, what's the domain of the first line? The domain goes from -4 to 0, right? -4 to 0, but it's not defined at 0. So I'm going to say -4 has to be less than or equal to, because it is defined there, x, which has to be less than 0 because it's not defined there. So I don't put less than or equal to, I put less than it for the domain in that piece. For the second part, this runs from 0 to 7, but it's defined on both ends. So I'd say 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 7. So now I have the domains in there. All I have to do is write in what the function is for each. I can use those 2 points and and slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, to write the equation, or I can just count on the graph. If I start at this point and I count, I can see I have a positive slope. So if I go up 1, 2, 3, I'm also going over 1, 2, 3, 4. So this line is up 3 over 4. It has a slope of 3 over 4. Then I write in the x variable. Look for the y-intercept. The y-intercept would be 3, so it's 3 over 4x plus 3. That is the slope-intercept form for this line here. And I don't have to write y equals because it says f of x equals outside there. For the second line, I'm going to again count. I can see it's a negative slope though. So I'm going to go down 2, right, -2, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So down 2 over 7, that's -2 over 7x. The y-intercept is 2, so I say plus 2 for the y-intercept. And this is the piecewise defined function that's graphed here.